literally sitting on the road. Going down, down, down. Yes, we are in a bit of a problem.
Myself, I'm totally lost.
इधर आओ, इधर घूमो, इधर घूमो. मैं YouTube के लिए ले रही हूँ.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe.
Janvi's here in Bombay. Shut up. And we have just come out of Dulali. And I wish I could show you the amount of people there are in Dulali because it's a lot. Like Andheri one has just reopened and everybody is here. हाँ, literally, it's like that reel where सब हाथों कहना मेरा तो नहीं है. It's literally, it's so crowded, but the beers are top notch. यार, it was Janvi's first time. How was it? It was beers.
I love the blueberry one.
Blueberry. My vote is Alfonso.
Blueberry and guava.
Blueberry and guava. My vote is always going to be Alfonso. Shit, this is terrible lighting, bro. My हाँ कर. Oh wow. My vote is always going to be mango, and I also tried the new Kala Khatta one, which was really good. And Arhan, what's your pick? All of them. He just drank the mango one, so I think his pick is mango. So yeah, come to Dulali, guys, but don't come on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, bye. Guys, I'm so sorry I'm filming like this, but I think to see the real me, which I never put up on any other platform other than YouTube. So yeah, I look ugly as after I wake up, and that is how it is. So a little bit of an update for y'all. Janvi has also woken up. She has, I think, gone to take a bath, and I have woken up, and currently it is 11:30 and we came and we slept. Why am I even trying to settle this up? Okay, anyway, so we came back at around I think 10ish, and then we came back and we just slept. Like, we watched a little bit of Friends, and then we just slept like dead ass asleep. And yeah, and now is the time we woke up because it's Sunday and we have a lot of plans, but those were like very chill plans. So now we're gonna go and make those plans happen. Why do I still look tired? Do I look tired? I don't know. I'm fresh though. Anyway, so yeah, now we are gonna go get ready, and I'm also gonna take a bath. She has had her cold coffee, I need to have mine, and yeah, I'll take you along. Finally here at Mia Kebabs, and it's Janvi's first time, and I know my order by heart, so I'm gonna order for her and then I'm gonna record her reaction for y'all. It's so good. Give review, bro.
It was really nice. Never had that kind of pulao in my life.
And she's from Hyderabad. Just saying. She's from Hyderabad and she liked Mia Kebabs Tawa Pulao the best. So all of y'all should go. I think हमें
Tawa
crossing ढूंढना
pulao नहीं मिलता है हैदराबाद में.
चाहिए. But this rice dishes तो मिलते हैं ना.
हाँ, but हैदराबाद is mainly biryani. So pulao तो भूल ही जाओ.
But I like this pulao more than Hyderabadi biryani also.
I don't like her anymore.
offended Hyderabadis, but I am not a very Hyderabadi biryani fan. I am a Lucknowi biryani fan.
Your name.
Or like those Mughal biryanis, Persian biryanis, so good. But yeah, all of y'all should go and try Mia Kebabs or comment for recommendations in Mumbai, because I know the best places to eat. अच्छा में cross करना चाहिए. Yeah. Shoo shoo. Okay. Yeah. Now we're going for gelato. We are going to Novola. This is like my routine, okay? Everybody I bring to Mia Kebabs, I also take them for gelato here because this is also my favorite gelato place. But we'll see. Janvi is still undecided on whether she wants. So हम जाके taste करने वाले हैं and फिर if she likes it. हाँ, छोटा कप ही लेना है. Got her Dubai chocolate gelato and Dubai kunafa. Oh, Dubai chocolate only. Basically, it's the pistachio chocolate wala thing. And now we're gonna go to Fort, Bandra Fort, not Fort. It has been closed to the common public because there's some private event going on. So we're trying to get into that event, but we're not sure if we can get into that event. And if not, we're just walking around now near bandstand, just wasting time for no reason. Literally sitting on the road. Because we have nothing to do. Homeless, jobless.
I can't job.
Because we paid also for the parking.
I'm
so
actually
हम
homeless also.
Yeah, you're technically homeless also. So we're just sitting and we're waiting for her friend to call back. यार मेरे बालों को क्या होता रहता है?
I actually like your
Thanks.
style.
Thanks.
पहले रैट की तरह लग रहे थे, but like change.
नहीं, वो मैं ऐसे करूँगी तो अभी भी वैसे ही लगेगा थोड़ा. अभी बढ़ गया है थोड़े, but it's plan change. I don't know if you can hear me, but we have taken an auto. हमने गाड़ी वहाँ पे पार्क कर दिया है. We have taken an auto and we're going to Chapel Road because she has never been to Chapel Road. So we are going to Chapel Road to show her, I don't know what, just the buildings. But it's very pretty. So if you haven't been to Chapel Road but you're coming to Bombay, go to Chapel Road. It's very nice. I'll show you. Chapel Road and now we're deciding कि हमें कौन सा कैफ़े जाना है because there are so many good cafes in Chapel Road. There's Itara, there's Tokyo Matcha Bar, there's Mokai. Fantastic place. We're just walking.
This is kind of giving me Goa vibes.
Like just walking. Yeah, this is because we found out that Mokai is closed. Tamma hai wo. Sorry for lighting. We have decided to go to Itara and just sit because Mokai was closed. So we're just gonna go to Itara and just sit and chill till sunset, and then we'll go to Bandstand again, witness the sunset, and then we'll go.
गरीब लग रहा है, but he's थोड़ी अच्छी लग रही है, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा गरीब. Yours is lame.
I love mine. So refreshing. Guys, we're done with everything and now we're going back to Bandstand. It's 6 now we are waiting for the sun to set. And after that, Jimmy's.
What the fuck is trippy IBS?
पहले का था.
IBS?
पहले का था.
You're lame.
You are lame. But anyway, so Jimmy's ka plan has been cancelled and we might go to Veronica's because this bitch has apparently never heard of Veronica's. Who hasn't heard of Veronica's? But anyway, we're gonna go there and we're gonna make her try Veronica's. Arey.
No one cares about
Thinking about it. We're done with Jimmy's Fab 10 on 10, 11, 15 on 10 experience.
Wow,
How was it for you?
15 on 10. And I completed my burger before.
Please let me know if anybody was interested to know that. Please. It's very important, guys. And now we're gonna head home and then we're gonna update you on what we do. Bye. Going downtown. What's up? I have come back home and we're gonna do Janvi's outside talking to someone. So I'm gonna do my skincare and I just thought of filming. So मेरे YouTube में सब कुछ आ रहा है जो मुझे बाहर जाकर. Anyway, so I just wanted to tell y'all that if y'all are coming to Bombay and if y'all are not vegetarians, you have to go to Mia Kebabs. Okay, like do not skip that. That is one of the best non-vegetarian places you can go to for good kebabs. I'm not saying that it's the best in Bombay. I'm sure that there are other places. There is actually a place that I had tried that is very good. It's called Cafe Noor. Then there is Jai Jawan, which is really good for non-vegetarian food. But Mia Kebabs is really up there, so you all have to try it out as well. And Jimmy's, it's my favorite. Like, it's so good that Chirali, who is a part of our trio, so right now it's just me and Janvi, but there's also a third member. If you know, you know. I mean, if you watch my previous videos, you would know that there's Chirali. So Chirali, she doesn't eat burgers at all. Like, she doesn't like burgers. But she told us that we shouldn't ideally go to Jimmy's without her because she likes Jimmy's burgers so much. But then she was like, oh, I changed my mind, you all should go because it's so good. But yeah, Jimmy's burgers is like actually so good. Everybody who I love and has visited Bombay, I have taken them there. The people who are in Bombay have already been there. But it's so good, guys. Also, I wore white and I spilled in the same place. So I spilled like a little bit of Mia Kebab wala sauce also here, but then I wiped it off. And then I went to Jimmy's and I spilled in the same place. I think there's something wrong maybe with this hand, like when I'm eating maybe. Hi guys, good morning. It is currently 6:30ish and we have woken up to go to Marine Drive. I can't believe we actually woke up. And by we, I mean Janvi. Because I woke up and मैंने उसको पूछा कि तुझे पक्का जाना है ना? Because I didn't think that she would actually wake up for this. But ma'am has woken up. So now we're gonna go. Yeah. This dog is barking at me. looking like absolute shit. But it's a lot of fun. This is absolutely my favorite place in Bombay, and I haven't been here in so long. And every time I come here, I promise myself that I'm gonna be here every single month, and then I never come again for like 5 months. But highly recommend everybody to come either like in the morning. If you want to actually see the sea, you come like really early in the morning because there's no bheed, and if you can come really early on a weekday because there's no bheed and it's not sunny, and it's just the view is beautiful. Like the water is so blue, the rocks are so brown, black, whatever, but it's beautiful.
Under the boughs where the shadows play.
Guys, we are done with Marine Drive, and now we're gonna go and have breakfast at Mukai because this one wants to go to Mukai. So we're going to the Pali Hill branch in Bandra. Yeah. So we'll see you then.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold.
Bandra mein there's literally no parking. Everywhere that there's not a car parked, it's written no parking. And people have parked in front of no parking also. But I'm not going to take that risk. So we have parked thoda dur and now we're walking to Mukai. Fun. I'm very, very, very hungry. And Janvi usually does not eat breakfast, but Janvi is also hungry. So one of Janvi's friends said कि जानवी को ब्रेकफास्ट की भूख लग गई तो मतलब बारिश होने वाली है आज. Crazy.